Are you aware there's now an e-ticketing platform for Lagos Ibadan railway line? Yes, you can now book your tickets online on the app or on the browser. All you have to do is go to your Play Store or Apple Store, download the Nigerian Railway Corporation e-ticketing app, nrc.gsds.ng on your browser. After creating an account, let's try to book a ticket. Now I want to go from Mobolaji Johnson Ebute Meta down to Ibadan, which is Moniya Obafemi Awolowo. You can only book a day ahead, so I'm booking for the 20th. Find my train. So here it says I can book for 2 ways or 1 way, but then I have 6,500 for business class, 9,000 for first class, and 3,600 for standard. Seat number 1, and I already input details. So let's go next. Yeah, it says there's an additional fee of 585, and I don't know, it just okay. Also, bank charges of 100 naira, so it sums up to 9,685 naira. Then I think I can go ahead with paying with my ATM card, and I think if you're going for that of 3,600, it sums up to probably half this amount, half the 685 naira amount. By proceeding, I agree with terms and conditions, then I make payments. You reserve your seat for 10 minutes. Then it takes me to a portal where I make payments either by my card, USD, bank, transfer, yada yada. And I guess whenever you're done, it gets to tell you successfully done. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and share my content. Bye.